The company for Dynalene was formed out of a need to create heat transfer fluids that were safe for the environment and safe for people. The heat transfer fluids that we produce are non-toxic, non-flammable, and are non-hazardous.
As a scientist, I do a lot of research and development at Dynalene. I come up with new products, we look at the customer needs and try to match those needs.
An example of an application where our fluids would be used would be M&Ms. Hot liquid chocolate is poured onto the outside of that drum, and it cools that chocolate and solidifies it into a solid.
What the 3D printer is making right now is a cartridge, cool down electronic devices. The one that we make with the 3D printer is just an example, and if it works properly, move up to lab size, figure from there all the way out to industrial size.
The most challenging part is dealing with different samples all the time because you never know what to expect.
For safety purposes, if you're at a manufacturing plant and something's very hot and you got materials and you want to find out if it falls on it, is it going to burn? Put it in, check, and then auto ignite it.
Devices that need to run in really cold areas like Siberia, they need to get down real low below freezing, and so to do that we need to come up with fluids that have a very, very low freezing point. QC station, this is very much tied in with our manufacturing because we cannot ship any products out without knowing that they're okay.
My everyday challenge is something's off in a product, how to solve it, and the next steps from there. What made me want to get into this job was that I always had a love for the science field.
I produce all the chemicals, the batches, I do the shipping, packaging, labeling, and we ship it onto the tractor trailers. I mean, manufacturing, you get a bunch of orders, you have to figure out how you're going to do them, how you're going to get them out the door to the customers in a timely manner. So basically every day you're challenging yourself. How can I do this faster? What can I change to make this work a little bit better?
18, 17,